Hey guys, this is me Abhilasha, your favorite VRC mentor, and I'm talking to you today about the colleges of CET Maharashtra. As you already know, the form for CET Maharashtra came out on the 22nd of June, and forms are available till the 17th of July, 12 midnight. So you can fill up your forms right away. Today we are going to be talking a little bit about the colleges of Marset and what percentiles, what are the important colleges and all of that. So here's a little session on the Marset colleges, guys. I hope you will find this of use to yourself. Guys, before I begin, let me do a quick round of announcements also. Remember to use AbhiCat Live to unlock your Unacademy Plus Learners app and also to subscribe to our courses, guys. Our iconic batches are live, so you can get a personal mentor, test analysis, OMED prep, and all the benefits of Plus. Here are some of our CAT 2020 results. Here is my very own Piyush Prateek. New batches 30th June, 3rd of July, and 7th of July. We've got new batches coming up, guys. Whatever be the batch, the referral code remains the same. AbhiCat Live, guys. Here are some of my new batches that are coming up. Looking forward to these. Alright guys, so the CET Maharashtra, guys, you already know is known as Mahaset. You know it is a computer based entrance test examination. Probably this year CET Maharashtra should be around the 17th of August. After that only, I assume, or around that only. It has sections on quantitative aptitude, it has a section on reasoning, it has a section on visual reasoning, it has a section on VARC. Of course, it is conducted by the government of Maharashtra for admission in the MBA, MMS programs of the various B schools over Maharashtra, guys. So it's generally conducted in March, but of course, due to COVID situation last year also it was postponed, and this year also it has been postponed. So now that the forms are available, we are assuming that the exam should happen in the month of August, and there are, like, I'm sure lots and lots of you are planning to write this exam. So here we are. Also, guys, couple of very interesting things. Remember, there is no negative marking in this exam. There are 200 questions of 1 mark each, so 200 marks and no negative. So therefore, this is a paper that you can attempt all the questions. That's one thing. Another thing, over 100 B schools in Maharashtra take admission through this. And the fun thing is that there are no GDs, there are no interviews, nothing. So it is just this entrance test that you have to do very well in. Once you've done well in the test, there is nothing else you have to do. You just have to wait for your counseling to happen and you join the college straight away. So guys, if you do really, really well, you have a chance at some of the best B schools in Maharashtra. We are going to be talking about them. Let's get started. So here are some of the colleges that accept Maharashtra CET scores. Let's find out a little bit more. So the first, of course, is the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, or JBIMS as it is called. Also known as the CEO Factory, is one of the top MBA colleges in India. One of the oldest B schools in India, and of course is located in Churchgate and is amazingly good, and also because it has been so old, no, so a lot of alumni are very well placed and therefore they keep coming, and the industry connect at JBIMS is amazing. The percentile cutoff for JBIMS is 99.9 plus, guys. So even for the CET Maharashtra candidates, it's going to be a very high percentile. For other people from other states also, it's going to be a very high percentile. So 99.9 plus. Intake, of course, is 120. The fee is approximately around 2 to 3 lakh rupees per year. So in about 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs you'll be done. The course offered is Master of Management Studies or MMS. You have Master of Financial Management, you have Masters in Human Resource Development, you have Masters of Marketing Management, and you have Masters of Information Management. Of course, the MMS course being the premier course is the best one that you are looking at. So here are some of those. Let's look at the next one, guys. SIMSRI, Sydenham Institute of Management Studies and Research and Entrepreneurship Education. Sydenham again is one of the finest institutes in the country. Was founded in 1983. The Sydenham tradition of giving high quality education So makes it one of, again, the most coveted institutes in Maharashtra. CET percentile is 99.8 plus percentile, guys. Intake is 208. The fee is just 67,000 per year. The courses offered are MFM, MMS, PGDM and MMM. So you also have the option of applying for the PGDM course also, guys. Okay, let's go to the next one. The third institute, of course, is the Wellinger Institute of Management Development and Research, Mumbai, which is called the V School. Again, this is again one of the finer schools of management in Mumbai area, in Maharashtra area. Percentile requirement is 98.5 plus. Intake is 120. Fee is about 5.5 lakhs per year. Course offered is PGDM. You do not have, so that's one. Then you have a PGPM, also postgraduate program in management, and then you have MMS, MIM, MFM, MHTRM, and MMM also, guys. The third college is Pumba, Department of Management Studies, Pune University. Again, one of the colleges that people really want to go and study at. NAC accredited with 5 stars, one of the few universities that have been accredited like that. 98 percentile is what you're required, what you will expect to get, and what you will expect to get into with this college with. The intake is 180 students, 65,000 is the fee. The course offered is Masters in Business Administration. Another very fine institute. Okay, SIES College of Management Studies in Mumbai, guys, again is one of the colleges, excellent colleges for CET Maharashtra. 98 plus percentile is what you're expected. 120 seats are there. 1 lakhs to 2.15 lakh per year is the fee. The courses offered are postgraduate diploma in management, postgraduate diploma, and MMS. So these are the few courses that are offered by SIS. The next one, guys, is the St. Xavier Institute of Management and Research, XIMR in Mumbai. Now, XIMR is the Xavier's College in Mumbai is the parent body of this college, and it is offering a postgraduate level degree in management. So it has a master's in management course. There are about 61 seats for this. 1 seat is for the JNK candidate, so 60 seats for you guys. 95 plus percentile, 2.35 lakh per year, and MMS is the course, guys. The NL Dalmia Institute of Management Studies and Research in Mumbai is another college that is very well known. It's also a college that you can take admission through CMAT. But hey, the NL Dalmia College is pretty good. 96 plus percentile, 240 seats, 4.7 lakhs per year is the fee. PGDM and MMS are the 2 courses that are offered. Let's get to the next one. All right, KJ Somaya Institute of Management Studies and Research. Again, a very good institute, established in 1981 in the heart of Mumbai. ISO qualified. 99 plus percentile, 630 seats. They have 7.46 lakh is the fee. They have several courses. So you have PGDM, you have MFM, you have MMM, you have HRDM, and you have the MBA course also, guys. The Sri Balaji University in Pune, what used to be the Balaji Institute of Modern Management, Balaji Institute of Telecom Management, Balaji Institute of International Business, all of these are now combined under one body, which is the Sri Balaji University. So 85 to 90 percentile in different institutes, 600 plus seats, 4.23 lakhs is the fee, and the course offered is an MBA. Because it is a university, they can offer you an MBA. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research, again, one of the older institutions here. MBA, MCA, plenty of courses. The course offered here in CET is the MBA course. Fee is 1.3 lakh per year, and intake is 120. All right, there are a number of other colleges also in CET Maharashtra. So let's quickly talk about these colleges also, guys. Let me just change the color of my pen so I can just make sure that the visibility is higher. All right, so right at top is the Chetna Institute of Management and Research at 97.8 plus percentile, 120 seats. MET, Mumbai Educational Trust in Mumbai, 97.7 percentile plus cutoff, 180 seats in all. These are all fairly decent institutes. Lala Lajpat Rai Institute of Management, again 96 plus percentile, 240 seats. Indira Institute of Management in Pune, 96.2 plus percentile, there are 300 seats. IES Management College and Research Center, 96 plus percentile. Thakur Institute of Management, 95 to 98 percentile, 120 seats. Rizvi Institute, 95 to 98 percentile, 180 seats. St. Francis Institute of Management and Research, 95 to 98 percentile, 120 seats. MIT World Peace University, again 95 to 98. These are all same percentile range you have. Flame University, Vivekanand Institute. So these are some colleges. I'll also tell you a few more. There is Father C. Rodriguez Institute of Management Studies at 93-94 percentile. Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute, 93-94 percentile, 120 seats. Don Bosco is at 90 to 92 percentile, 60 seats or very few seats. Durga Devi Saraf Institute of Management Studies at 90 to 92 percentile, again 120 seats. Bharati Vidyapeeth at 90 to 92 percentile, 120 seats. Guys, there are plenty of seats in CET Maharashtra. If you're very serious about this exam, then this is just the right time to be starting your preparation. I'm also going to be starting off a course on CET Maharashtra on our YouTube channel. Every day at 4:30 I will be doing classes on CET Maharashtra. So do make sure the month of July you join me every evening at 4:30. Not I will be on Mondays and Tuesdays at 4:30, and on the YouTube Plus Learners app at noon for a lot of other sessions. So do make sure you are joining us on for all of these. Guys, remember to use AbhiCat Live. If you haven't yet downloaded your Unacademy Plus Learners app, download it. Use AbhiCat Live to unlock the free courses like my special classes, and also to subscribe. If you're buying a subscription from Unacademy, do make sure you're using AbhiCat Live. Our bumper offer is still live, guys. So if you buy a 6-month subscription, you get a 1 month off, and also you get a 10% off on using AbhiCat Live. So that's one. Our scholarship tests are happening every Sunday. So this Sunday also, you can just go on to our app and use AbhiCat Live to enroll, or you can scan this QR code to enroll and get a free subscription to Unacademy. Also, our Ask a Doubt feature is available, guys. If you haven't yet asked a doubt, ask it. With that, I'm at the end of my session, guys. Thank you so much. I hope this session was useful to you. Let's crack it. Remember to hit like, share, subscribe, and the bell icon, and also to use AbhiCat Live to subscribe. Thank you. I will see you soon.